Today we're going to be looking at conic sections, and there are four shapes: circles, ellipses, parabolas, and hyperbolas. Circles, as you might know, look like that. Ellipses are more like an oval shape and look like this. Parabolas are more like a U shape and look like this. And hyperbolas look very similar to hyperbolas, but they're actually like a U and an N shape. You can actually find these shapes in everyday objects. Let's take, for example, this ice cream cone. If you were to take a knife and cut this ice cream cone and make a little section at the top here and kind of make like a circular cut here, when you looked at the down at what you had just cut, you would see a shape that looked like a circle. If you were to take and cut it along like this in more of an ellipse shape, when you looked at this section that you had just cut out, it would look something more like this. It wouldn't be as round, it would be more of an oval shape. You can also see these in other objects as well. You can also see these shapes in things like an hourglass. Let's look at this hourglass here. If I wanted to cut this hourglass and find a parabola, what I would do is kind of make a U shape cut here at the top. And when you were done, what you would get is a U-shaped vision of the hourglass, what the hourglass looked like by cutting it like this. If I wanted to get a hyperbola, what I would do is actually make two cuts. And the first one would be here at the bottom, and the second one would be here at the top. And so basically you'd be looking at two different sections. What they would look similar to a parabola, but you would have both the top and the bottom of the hourglass. So there you have just a simple explanation of the four conic shapes: circles, ellipses, parabolas, hyperbolas, and how you can find them in everyday objects.